of all, I would like to welcome Supreme Council member, especially our group leader Haji Nasir Mahmood, and our Supreme Council member, our former presidents Ali Ansar Guman, Adnan Makki, and Subhan Zaid Barsa, and our commercial councillor Nuruddin, and my senior vice president Asad Bhatti, vice president Masoom Kamar, my executive members, and business community representative, the honorable media representative, okay, and my honorable guest from the Turkey, Bakin Zafar Bey, Madam Hulia, Burak Bey, and Tuba Bey, yes, and Mr. Nijat Bey, and Mustafa Bey, Aibak Bey, and Ilik Nu. And I will formally like to welcome you to Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry is representing more than 14,000 members, and the main sectors of our trade is fans, furniture, pottery, ceramics, textile, soaps and detergent, and garments, leather products, and agriculture side we have rice, wheat. So yes, as we are speaking, so here I would like to formally tell all my guests that we are here for the reveal ceremony of an organization which is called Pak organization. So today we will do a cake cutting ceremony, and we will reveal the organization, and Mr. Burak Bey will also explain regarding this organization. So the main purpose of this organization will be to connect both countries together. Turkey and Pakistan have always worked as a brother, and we are brotherly nations. There is already a free trade agreement is already been signed by the government of Pakistan and the government of, in which Pakistan have exempted like 130 items, and 261 items have been exempted by the Turkey government. I think this is the best opportunity, for the businessmen to come further and and do business. So there is opportunity for both countries, for importing. So last time Madam Hulia when came to Gujarat, there were like different sectors. She was representing some different business sectors, and this time she came with a different business delegation. So we would like to welcome them, and we are very happy to see them here. I hope in future we will organize more delegations, as we are also planning to organize a business opportunity conference in Turkey. That opportunity conference will be based on Pakistani businessmen, and they will go over there and explore business opportunities over there and see the local market. I'm looking forward for more future collaboration between Pakistan and Turkey friendship and the Pak organization, as I was talking about.